baby, baby.
Welcome to Colombia!
All I need is you, baby, baby. Over.
So guys, this is thank you, man. So this is KJ 85. You know, we are in Semana Santa Holy Week, so people are not really partying here. And today is Thursday. There will be no nightlife from Bogota, so it's a little sad, guys. You know, but try as much as possible, man, to give the video a like. And yeah, I think I'll see you in my next one. It's really dry because, you know, people are on holiday. People have gone home to their villages, okay? Bye for now. And man, more videos from Colombia. Just give me time, you know. I just came, I just arrived. Yeah, I'm not complaining, but I'm not also giving excuses. I'm just trying to say, try to understand, man. I just arrived from Cuba. In like 2 weeks, I've been like to 4 countries, man. Just give me a break a little bit. But more videos to come, okay? Bye-bye. See you.
All I need is you, baby, baby.
Welcome to Colombia!
Bienvenido.